coming in of the financial woes now adding up for Pakistan. It's a financial strike. We've launched several military strikes on Pakistan, and now there's a financial strike as well, with India choking Pakistan financially and telling the IMF to review aid for Pakistan. And my colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast. And Rishabh, this is going to be a big setback for Pakistan, financially choking Pakistan. This is after India has already taken a decision on the Indus Water Treaty, putting it in abeyance, military strikes, and now a financial strike from India.
Well, Pratibha, good morning, Amita, good morning. What we are given to understand that India has made it clear, we will hit Pakistan, not only militarily, but diplomatically, as well as sabotage and ensure sabotaging their any source of income as well. And remember, when we talk about Pakistan, the source of income for Pakistan is majorly the loans, the aid that they are getting. Now what we are given to understand, Pratibha, that while today there is a discussion on the IMF grant and further payout for Pakistan, India has decided to get it reviewed. Remember, if there is even one member, one executive director who decides to put a review on it, IMF will have to go to certain procedures, and India has decided to put a review on IMF funds for Pakistan. So in a way, after diplomatic and military strike, this time a financial strike on Pakistan as well. Pakistan will not be allowed to sit peacefully anytime now, is what the leadership of India has decided.
Well, remember that several bailouts that have been given to Pakistan already, and it seems that the financial strike is now India expected to carry out, because India is expected to present its case before the IMF when the meeting takes place to review the bailout package to Pakistan, and this cannot happen. Now